Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go and update you guys on AMC, as AMC has been picking it on throughout the day, looking to see if we can continue on with this momentum. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we are trying to hold above to continue with this momentum, what exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation from here. And all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over AMC with you guys here on the 4-hour chart. I'm going to go over exactly what our overall momentum does look like. What exact indicators do we need confirmed to get this continuation, and what exact level do we need to break above to have that major breakout and possible squeeze here. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We did just mention Bed Bath & Beyond going to extended hours from $18, jumping up all the way to $31 going to extended hours, over 50% on that breakout. And we typically don't mention large cap stocks, but however, we did have a major spike with CAR halted at $232, jumping all the way to $550 on the day, over 100% on that breakout. And we also did mention BTTX halted yesterday at $15.07, jumping up just over $29 on the day, almost 100% on that breakout. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we had that major spike previously all up to 72.50. Looking to see if we can continue on past that high here at 72.50. Now, as you guys can see, we did have our symmetric triangle. We did drop down below it. And we did have the 20 moving average, which is the yellow line, and the 50 moving average, which is the red. We did have the 20 moving average curled down as soon as we did drop down below that symmetric triangle. And sure enough, did drop down below that 50 moving average, which gave us that continuation on down. And as you guys can see, we did recently cross back above it. We did alert this one in the Instables room from $40 to $48. And as you guys can see, we did jump into this range between $48 and $58, looking to see if we can get that major blue sky breakout here at $58 with that confirmation. But sure enough, did have that decrease in buy pressure, showing us that momentum to the downside. And sure enough, did continue on down since then. Have the 20 moving average now crossing below the 50. And as you guys can see, recently we did have the 20 moving average, looking to see if we can cross above the 50. And we did cross down right below the 50, and we did not hold above it. So looking to see if we can cross the 20 moving average back above the 50 here. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we jumped all the way up to $43 going to extended hours, looking to see if we can hold the body of the candle going to tomorrow on the 4-hour chart to have this continuation. Again, breaking over this $40 range is exactly what we've been talking about to see if we can break above. And then looking to see if we can hold over $48 where we did previously get our rejection. If we can hold over $48 with that confirmation, then in my opinion, we could get that confirmation to have that possible gap up here from $48 all up to $58, and looking for that blue sky breakout at $58 with that confirmation. Now, to get that confirmation, I'm going to go over the MACD here with you guys so you guys can see what momentum we do have overall. Again, we have our major spike today with that buy pressure, and giving us that extension as we did have that confirmation on that continuation on that buy pressure. Now, as you guys can see, we have our previous buy pressure point on that spike to around 46.60, and looking to see if we can continue on past that momentum that we did have on this spike is exactly what we're looking for here on the MACD to get that confirmation on momentum. Again, making sure we do not get that rejection. Breaking above our previous buy pressure points is exactly what we'll be looking for to get confirmation on that momentum. So to set that alert here on trading, if you go over the plus sign here, you click add alert, and you put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point, so that way if it does break above it, then we will have confirmation to hold that $48 range. Now, one thing I did mention about AMC yesterday is that AMC likes to react to the market very choppy and very slow, and leading into tomorrow's FOMC meeting with a negative outlook on that meeting, we could have a major breakout here with AMC. But again, making sure we do get confirmation on that buy pressure. To get that confirmation, make sure we do have that gap up from $48 to $58 is exactly what we'll be looking for here on AMC. Again, looking to see if we can hold over $40 going to pre-market is exactly what I want to make sure we're looking for here. And to get that major squeeze that we are looking for here, as you guys can see, we have our previous buy pressure point that we had on that major spike to 72.50. Looking to see if we can break above that to get that major squeeze. And so as you guys can see, we are trying to break above our previous buy pressure point at that 46.60 mark that we did have that spike from, and looking to see if we can break above our 72.50 momentum that we did have on that original major spike here on AMC is exactly what I would be looking for here. And again, making sure we do get confirmation on every one of these breakouts is exactly what I make sure we do focus on. And again, with that said, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert. And again, everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help us refine it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.